My name is Idris here, and today we have a phone case unboxing video. We received this package from dbrand as a free replacement for the original ghost case. To start at the front, we can see the shipping label. At the back, there's a ton of text written all over. Feel free to pause if you want to read it. The bottom part is empty, and we have the top for the opening. Now, opening this seal is quite a challenge. You can see how I struggle all the way. But I guess they didn't compromise on a quality adhesive. Tearing the top reveals the white phone case box. So let's take it out. Inside the packaging, you can see the bubble wrap. And I'm going to put the packaging on the corner for now and make it as a prop. Going back to the phone case box. We got this explainer card from dbrand as to why there's a Ghost 2.0 case. Again, feel free to pause to read along. On the opposite side, we got a one-time QR code. I'm giving this away to one of you guys as a thank you for getting me to 100 subs. Again, going back to the phone case box, we can see a debossed text that says Ghost Case 2.0. You also got a barcode for the phone model, and it also says MagSafe on it. Let's finally open this box. I'll put the cover on the side for now. Let's grab the phone case and put the rest of the box also on the side. For first impressions, the Ghost Case 2.0 feels more sturdy. But let's remove the protective plastic. There's one more plastic at the top, as well as two more on the inside. From here, we can definitely tell the overall improvements. Now let's do a detailed comparison from the old version. Looking at the back, the camera bumper and magnet layout has been updated. The 2.0 has bigger side buttons, overall size, and microphone hole. From this angle, we can see the improved sidewalls. The bottom part material has been changed, and the 2.0 got better corner bumpers. As for the scratches, my original Ghost case received a lot of them. Actually, I remember on day 1, it got scratched just by cleaning with microfiber cloth. Again, here's the 2.0, clean and pristine. By the way, I will keep on using the first version along with my other phone cases and add the new one to the rotation. That's about it for this video, and I hope you got an idea as to what has been updated. Let me know in the comments if you use the QR code, and I'll see you on the next one.